So you've probably heard about the new innovative methods of heat treating wood to make it last longer and to make it more dimensionally stable. We have a very popular choice called Lunawood. It's a heat treated wood from Finland, and I'm going to talk about some of its advantages and how it compares to cedar. Lunawood is a heat-treated Nordic pine from Finland, heated with steam. Its moisture content is very low, 4%, and it's long-lasting wood. It lasts 30 years without rotting. It will not move dimensionally. The cracking is minimal, and the deck boards have grooves which allow it to be installed with clips. A typical cedar board, which is very familiar to a lot of Canadian users, will not be sold with grooves, and it's not heat-treated, meaning that in about 8 to 10 years, you will see rot. And the quality of cedar has been degrading over the years. We've taken apart some cedar decks that are no more than 10 years old, but with Lunawood, it's gonna last a lot longer. In terms of the hardness, they're about the same. In terms of the weight, they're about the same. The finish on the Lunawood, the backside is nice and flat, but the main side that you walk on is a nice wire brush finish. So that's why a lot of our clients right now are choosing Lunawood over cedar. In terms of the price, Lunawood is slightly more expensive, but it's no more than $2 per square foot. So it's really worth the investment to go with a heat-treated Nordic pine product from Finland, such as Lunawood, which is the most popular heat-treated decking in the world, versus typical cedar.